Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at a little bit of grafting stock, the humble Harrisia gisbertii. So, I think from an ornamental perspective, there's perhaps some merit to growing this plant. It does have rather nice stems. The spines are absolutely brutal, very strong and very sharp. Its flowers are quite large, white in colour, so maybe from an ornamental perspective it has some merit, but primarily it's used as grafting stock, and it performs its job as that very well. The downside to it is that getting it to form roots from cuttings can be a little challenging, but I find the best workaround for that is to just take the cuttings when it's very warm. They like the heat. If you've got bottom heat, like a heat mat or something, that will absolutely make your job a lot easier, but it's not absolutely required. So save the propagation for later in the season, and you shouldn't have too much trouble. I use a hormone powder for cuttings, as I find that it assists with the formation of roots, and I leave them upside down until they are very well calloused. Pop them back up the right way, wait for roots to come, pot them up, and you're right to go. Once they've got roots, they are pretty much bulletproof. I would just recommend being a little bit more conservative with watering if you live in an area that has a cooler climate. I'm in Victoria, Australia. We get very cold winters, and I do not water it at all over winter, which is a standard rule for pretty much all cacti that I grow both personally and professionally. Right everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!